in the efficiently operating production workshop. Every process is carried out in an orderly manner. Automated equipment runs steadily, while staff strictly control every production detail. From raw material processing to finished product packaging. Each step reflects professionalism and dedication. Standardized production processes. Ensure the reliable quality of every product. With rigorous manufacturing and stable output. We build trustworthy quality through strength,